Our hearts are bleeding after the news of Sdumo's passing, sending our condolences to his family and fans. May his soul rest in peace. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 9th to the 13th of May 2022 on Monday. Sonto shoots Sdumo in the arm. Sibongile is unable to sleep. Stompy tells Sonto that Pumlani was one paying Sdumo and brains on Tuesday. Sonto wonders if Tati was telling the truth. Jay shoots at Tati on Wednesday. Tati refuses to hear anything from her family. Sibongilo's behavior raises suspicions at school on Thursday. Tati's worst nightmare manifests as a banging on the door. Sibongilo's new look presents her with new problems on Friday. Sonto takes matters into her own hands and shoots Mike Jr. Tati goes underground but has no clue where to go. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.